Past insurance claims could be following them to their next property, making it difficult to find affordable insurance.
On your side's Christine Lazar is here to explain more insurance issues.
I had no idea this could happen.
Well, a lot of people don't know until they go and seek that insurance. And, you know, if you've bought a home, at least in the past, right? The last time I bought a home was in 2015. I didn't even think about insurance. It was like at the very end, you're like,
just happens.
just call our broker, change the address. Well, that is a thing of the past, okay? The insurance crisis is changing how and where people buy their homes. At least 13% of real estate agents in California have had a sale canceled last year because of the buyer's inability to find insurance. That's according to the California Association of Realtors.
When Helen Nader decided to relocate from Chicago to Dana Point to be closer to family, her daughter warned her that finding home insurance could be a problem.
And she said, "Mom, you need to start looking at insurance." And I said, "Wait, I'm not even out there yet. Why do I need to start looking at insurance?" She said, "No, it's very important because out here in California, a lot of companies are not writing policies."
Nader followed her daughter's advice, and she learned the insurer she'd been with for 55 years wouldn't write her a new policy.
I said, "I already sold my home. What if I can't get a condo because I can't get any insurance?"
Nader discovered a nearly 5-year-old insurance claim she had from her house in Chicago was following her cross-country.
One company came back to me and said they couldn't insure me. I said, "What was the reason for it?" And they said, "Well, you have a claim here for water damage."
California purchase agreements now have to have a contingency that allows home buyers to cancel their contract if they can't find affordable and available coverage.
Come on in.
Cara Ameer is Nader's daughter and also happens to be a licensed realtor.
How are buyers changing their behavior when it comes to looking for homes?
Buyers are definitely zoning in on the lower risk opportunities in the real estate market. They don't want to be in high or very high fire zones, but that's really difficult today because with all of the new mapping, almost everything is in some kind of fire zone or hazard area.
In the past, I think we just bought the home we wanted as long as it had the bedrooms and the baths. And it wasn't even really until we were getting ready to close that we went out and found insurance. That's just not how we do business anymore.
You cannot just approach it that way. It has to be upfront and you have to prepare just like how you would get a mortgage. You have to really do your due diligence, do your research in the beginning, and even before you make an offer, you need to investigate the insurance situation, not only on the property, but for yourself.
Insurance expert and independent broker Carl Sussman warns insurers will look at more than just the fire risk of the property, also the claims history.
They look at claims in two ways. One is the claim on the property and one is the claim from the client themselves. We're in a marketplace right now where the companies are so squeamish to write anything. They really are sort of skimming off the top. They're looking for properties and from people that have had no claims. And if they're going to write anything, they're going to look for that cream of the crop right now.
In the end, Nader had to settle for the California Fair Plan, the state's insurance of last resort.
It wasn't the easiest thing, but I finally made it through and I'm happy to be here.
Sussman also suggests you call more than one independent broker when shopping around for coverage because they may have access to different carriers. And of course, bundling helps too. But when you have to get the California Fair Plan, you can't bundle because that's your coverage for fire. And then you got to piecemeal all the rest. You know, at the end of the day, she's happy to be here in California, but her daughter was right. You know, before you even get on that plane, before you even list your other house, check and see if you can get not only available coverage, but coverage you can afford.
It's just another hurdle now in the buying process.
Hopefully it starts to get better.
We hope so, Christine.
Thank you.